An old G-scale train I put around the tree that I wanted to make more Christmassy and festive. So it was given to me, and it's a LGB, and it's a circus theme. So I'm going to take a couple 50-cent pieces of paint, see what I can do to make it more festive. Okay, so I kept a bunch of the original LGB circus boxcars in the original form. I didn't paint them all, and I definitely didn't do the main locomotive. But I did a couple with, like I said, some hobby paint. It was 50 cents a tube. And I did alternating colors. And I found these old trees with some old ceramic Christmas village. And then this, and I put a sign on the back. Most trains you'd see North Pole, I put Bedford Falls on this one. So it was cheap and fun. I had some twine downstairs. Alright, thanks for watching.